So I thought we should go out in the forest prospecting for gold. So I got this hose. So I thought we should go out in the forest. I gotta go and get some stuff. Stay here. Just see some small speck, small little, nothing that's going to buy me a new caddy though. There's no nuggets in here, really small nuggets though, mosquito nuggets. I never brought a test tube, I should have done that. So we're gonna need to try another spot. So I found a little stream, I gotta go and do a mantle canning here. Just shovel up in this and see what we got. Actually looks like that is shimmering a little bit, or is it my mind that goes? So in a stream like this, I think the flow is kind of low, but the first stream I was using, I guess I didn't really need a pump for that. You can see some really small specks in here, but you can see it ahead of the camera. That's a little speck there. Didn't really find anything here. So, but you know what? I think we're gonna call it for this time here.